Hello, brother. How are you? Here's your solution. So here's your solution. As you request to create a tool to remove any lines those exist in file B. You have to choose file A and then the file B. It will check each line from file B. If fine, skip them. If not fine, we'll create new file for that. So that's how it will remove. Here's the source file. Here are two files I have added, and here is the output solution. You can simply run that one as well. You can run from Python or from this tool where you find easy. Let me choose the file A and file B. It is asking to select the main file A you want to remove from. So here's my hidden folder. Look, here's the file A, for example, and now it will ask for file B for comparison. Here's the file B, let's say, and here we go. It says there are 22 rows in file A. There are more than 69 rows on file B. It have compared both files and check those are not exist in file B, or those exist have removed from file A. It says there is just one clean entry. I have actually all the entries was actually exist on file B. Last time you provide both files on file A, all entries actually exist on file B. I have add this entry to 2025. That's an additional entry, and that's the only entry it find unique in file A, which is not exist on file B. So that's why it says there is only one entry found which is unique and clean, and here it is. If it found, it will update the file and create new file. Then you will press any key, boom, and what it will do, it will actually recreate a file A and remove all the entries those actually exist in file B. So that's how the solution overall work. So I think this solution is easy to install, easy to use on your side. Here's the code as well. I will provide the code for two files and the output solution. You can use that. Thank you so much. Have a good day.